Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to make the Gujarati masala dal khichdi. So let us start. So first of all, we will see the ingredients that are required to make the masala dal khichdi. So I have taken here 1 cup of rice. You can take any rice. I have taken simple rice, not the basmati one. Half a cup of moong dal, split moong dal, some chopped ginger, chopped garlic, chopped onions, chopped green chilies, some chopped tomatoes, fresh coriander, whole red chilies, desi ghee, curry leaves, cumin seeds, turmeric powder, coriander powder, some red chili powder. The exact quantities I will let you know once I am making the khichdi. To start with the making of khichdi, first of all we will soak the rice and dal. So I am taking the rice here in one bowl, and in the other bowl I am taking the split moong dal. I'll add some water to it. We'll wash them with one water so that all the dirt or something is there that will go away, and we'll soak them from half an hour. So now it's half an hour and the dal and the rice are completely soaked. So I'll drain off the water and we'll start with the preparation of the khichdi. So I have taken an earthen pot to make the khichdi. You can take any deep pan or you can even take a pressure cooker to make the khichdi. So first of all, I am taking some refined oil, 2 tablespoons, and I'll heat it up. Once the oil is hot, I will add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, that is rye, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, that is jeera. Once they crackle, I will add half a teaspoon of asafoetida, that is our hing. You can hear the crackling sound of mustard and the cumin seeds. So now, first of all, we'll add the curry leaves and 2 to 3 whole red chilies. I just give them a mix. I wish I could make you smell the aroma that is coming from the spices. So now, first of all, we'll add some chopped garlic and chopped ginger. This is 2 tablespoons of ginger, 2 tablespoons of garlic. We'll cook them for a few seconds. The garlic has not to be browned much, just a little saute. Now I'll add 1 medium-sized chopped onion and we'll cook it till transparent. Also to this we'll add 3 chopped green chilies, roughly chopped, and a light stir to this. Now as you can see, the onion is translucent. So now I add some Indian spices to it. First of all, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. I'll give it a little stir just to lightly roast the spices. And now I'm adding to this the chopped tomatoes. I have taken 1 medium-sized tomato. Give it a little stir. Give it a little stir. Along with that, also add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add salt as per your own taste. For this, I am adding 1 tablespoon right now. Give it a little stir. And also we'll add some little water to it so that the tomatoes cook and get a little mushy. Also the spices will not burn if the water is there. So we'll cook the tomatoes for a few minutes. Now you can see the tomatoes are fairly cooked. So now we'll add our main ingredients, that is the soaked rice and dal. First I'll add the rice. I've removed the water already. And also the dal. Give it a good mix. I will add 1 tablespoon of desi ghee to this now. And a few coriander. Now, as you know, we have taken 1 cup of rice and half a cup of moong dal. But after soaking, the weight has been equal to 3 cups. So for the water content, we'll add triple the water, that is, we'll put 9 cups of water. So now the water is done. We'll wait till the water boils and we'll then close the lid. Always ensure to check the salt, because the salt is very important for khichdi. I'll just taste the water so that the salt content is good. Yes, the salt is perfectly okay. So we'll wait till the water boils and then we'll cover it with the lid. Now as you can see, the water is boiling. I'll get one last mix and we'll now cover this up. We will cook the khichdi on low flame and it will take around 20 to 25 minutes on low flame to get it cooked. Now around 20 to 22 minutes have passed and now we'll check the khichdi. The moment of truth. Wow, look at this. Now we'll turn off the gas so you can see the khichdi is ready. Now I'll meet you with the presentation. So now our masala khichdi, the Gujarati masala khichdi is ready. We'll top it up with some desi ghee and some fresh coriander leaves. So you can see how the khichdi is looking so tempting and delicious. Serve it along with some curry or chas and papad. You can also give some pickles with that.